shrimp, shrimp, shrimp. A small sea creature with a long body and legs, often eaten as food. Informally, it can also mean a small or weak person. Examples: 1. We had shrimp for dinner last night. 2. The shrimp in the aquarium are very colorful. 3. She loves shrimp cocktail at parties. 4. Even though he is a shrimp, he is really strong. Shrimp are popular in many cuisines around the world. They can be boiled, grilled, sautéed or fried, and are often used in dishes like shrimp scampi, shrimp tacos, and shrimp salads. Sautéed means cooking food quickly in a small amount of oil or fat over relatively high heat. This method is often used to brown or soften ingredients like vegetables or meat. Shrimp scampi is a popular Italian-American dish that features shrimp cooked in a sauce made of garlic, butter, white wine, and lemon juice. It's often served over pasta or with bread. Tacos are a traditional Mexican dish consisting of a small, hand-sized tortilla made from corn or wheat that is folded or rolled around a filling. Besides being a tasty seafood option, the term shrimp can also be used to describe someone who is small in size, usually in a playful or teasing manner. I hope that helps you understand the word shrimp better. If you like this video, please subscribe for more learning adventures. Thank you. Bye.